Well, warm temperatures continued again today. Many people continuing to head out to coastal areas like Cayucos. You can see in our surf line camera here. Let's take a look at just how warm our temperatures were. Cal Poly reaching a new record today with 113. Paso Robles reaching 112. 102 in New Cuyama, 108 in Santa Ynez. Compared that to 87 in Pismo Beach. That's pretty warm for Pismo Beach. Now check out this 24-hour temperature change though, showing finally our temperatures are on a downward swing, and a pretty significant one at that. San Luis Obispo 21 degrees cooler than this time yesterday, 9 degrees cooler in Paso Robles and in Vandenberg as well. But we did break some records today in San Luis Obispo and in Paso Robles, with it reaching 112 today, breaking a record from 1957. So we are cooling off, but our overnight lows still aren't getting that low. If you take a look, our current temperatures now in Santa Maria still 72 degrees, 75 in San Luis Obispo, 104 in Paso Robles, 74 in Lompoc, and 69 in Santa Barbara. So we still have our red flag warning and fire weather watch continuing on through this evening. But once this advisory expires, we're still in extreme fire weather concerns. We still have that extremely dry brush, low relative humidity, or how much moisture is in the air, and gusty winds as well. Now, we mentioned earlier the air quality warning that continues on until tomorrow. Do keep that in mind if you're heading outdoors over the next few days. Winds right now 6 miles per hour in Santa Maria, 8 in San Luis Obispo, 12 miles per hour in Paso Robles, and 5 in Santa Barbara. So we have a small craft advisory in our outer waters that goes until Tuesday afternoon, and hugging the coastline here, that small craft advisory will expire later this evening, but it's likely that perhaps more advisories will be issued because we have some pretty strong wind gusts on the way. This is a look at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Gusts in Lompoc and Morro Bay about 25 miles per hour, 24 in Cambria. So that really adds to our fire weather concerns, because as our fuels continue to stay dry and it continues to stay warm, these winds being on the stronger side can really pick things up. Now, one positive note you can see here in our microclimate model, that marine layer finally making its return, giving us a little bit more of a reprieve with those cooler temperatures as well. So you might see some cloud coverage as you head out the door tomorrow and again in the evening. If we take a look at our upper level forecast, you can see a lot happening. So we had this extreme heat because of a massive high pressure system making its way through, but simultaneously a cooler system was making its way towards places like Colorado. So we're going to get the impacts of some of their cool air temperatures. Now, they went from 90 degrees today to tomorrow it's going to be snowing. So we're lucky that we don't have crazy erratic temperatures like that, but we will have the heat for a little bit longer. So forecast for tomorrow: 101 in Paso Robles, 84 in San Luis Obispo, and 77 in Santa Maria and Lompoc. Down the coast at Carpinteria, we're looking at 78 degrees, 91 in Santa Ynez and Los Alamos, and the Five Cities, 77 in Napomo, 70 in Arroyo Grande, and 69 in Pismo Beach. And in northern San Luis Obispo County, 73 in Avila Beach, 68 in Morro Bay, and 68 in Cayucos. So our 5-day forecast will show temperatures calming down a little bit, but not getting too cool. You can always see our 10-day forecast on our app in the App Store.